We in Quartzsite, baby.
Well, in a bed with man and woman should have gone to rest. So fire burn the people where they with the same sex. No matter how you honey and no matter how you less. No girl not for use your cocky as no cortex. Much less for you to chance to check your one to get a fix. Them won't go through the buck up when you have to take a piss. And you know one no girl to come and kiss you on your lips.
Alright guys, so we are currently headed to Quartzsite, Arizona right now. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and once we get there I gotta find a place to sleep. I gotta see if I'm cooking dinner or if I'm gonna find some people to have like a Friendsgiving with, but me just showing up same day, not even knowing people, I don't know how I feel about that. So yeah, me and Spike, what's up, boy? Good boy. Yeah, we about to go out to Quartzsite right now, and I may just cook tomorrow. I don't know, man. We're gonna figure it out, but I'm gonna be, I don't want to keep saying homeless, man. I know I say homeless like in my videos, but you know, I'm living out of my car and stuff, so I don't want to offend anybody who's really homeless. I just do it for, you know, to grab people's attention. I don't want to say for clickbait, but to grab people's attention, because I'm not lying. Like, I don't have a house, so I can say I'm houseless, but, you know. But yeah, basically we're going to be living in my car, not in a house for Thanksgiving, man. You got boogies. You got boogies. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Get that paw. Get that paw. Get paw. Good boy. Get other one. Other one. Other one. This one. This one. Okay. My car is literally about to hit 100,000 miles. I got this car at 64,000 miles in March of 2023. So yeah. We got 8 miles to 100,000. 100K on YouTube soon too. This is a sign. Nah. Come on. 100,000, and my truck's appreciation just went down. That's crazy. All right, guys. So we just made it to Quartzsite. You can see all the RVs over there. So many RVs on the road too. So now we're just going to some BLM land to spend the night again. We can spend up to 14 days here for free.
Holy mackerel, look how many people there are.
Bro, there's so many people here, man. Registration. Oh, I gotta go register.
You're pretty. Hi.
Alrighty, so we just registered, guys. People got their solar out, tents, all this, man. So I can stay here up to 14 days. Where am I gonna park? That look like a cool spot. Alright, I'm thinking this spot should be cool right here. Oh, there's a big ass dog. Fuck that. Big ass dog. Like a Dutch, like kind of like what Spike is. But we gonna pull right in the middle over here. Alright, guys. We made it. It's a lot of old people here. A lot of old people, and I ain't see any minorities since I've been here, man. So it's like I'm definitely out of the blue. But they don't seem racist or anything like that. But yeah, we're down here by a little creek bed. Got a fire pit right here. It's a bigger one over there. But yeah, this is what we're gonna call home for the next couple of days, man. I may move around to different spots though, but yeah, man. We're in Quartzsite. We're in Quartzsite, Arizona right now. All right, so we're gonna set up right now. I want to cook. I'm hungry. Get down. Also want to give Spike more leadway and stuff, instead of just having him on the hitch with that little leash and stuff. So I'm gonna make some so he could go a little bit further. See, man, I used to be in Boy Scouts, so I know how to tie knots and stuff. Bring it around town, back to the loop. So I'm super hungry right now, and all I really got is noodles. I know it's not the healthiest, but I'm still gonna cook some noodles. Just enough water. Put a little bit of that slap your mama in there. I like my noodles extra seasoned. And bon appetit, man. But yeah, guys, we're really out here in the desert again. But surrounded by a whole bunch of old people. But I like to make friends with old people. They're cool. And they got cool stories too. I had these noodles for a long time, but I just never got around to cooking them. Cause I be making meals and stuff. But yeah, man, bro. It's hot out here too, man. I'm about to put shorts on and everything. But guys, I'm about to finish eating my noodles. And I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Come here, boy, come. Oh shit, I don't know if he'll be able to get up that way. Oh shit, he did it. Oh my God, bro. We in Quartzsite, baby. I'm probably the youngest person here though. Probably the only black person too. Mikey. Oh, them old boys. Guys, look at this sunset. Oh my gosh, bro. This is beautiful. It's got like the orange, the yellow, the blue, the red, the green. It's like a rainbow. I love it, man. I love life. Guys, no lie. Bro, no lie. Right over there, bro. I was just playing Native American healing music and watching the sunset, man. I'm playing the healing music. You see how beautiful that sunset is? And I'm like, bro, yo, I'm watching the same sunset as the natives did, bro. And I'm thinking that, and the music's playing and I'm meditating, bro. And I look to my right and it's a coyote sneaking up on me. I kid you not, bro. I literally seen it sneaking up on me right there. Literally, bro. I swear to God, I'm not lying, bro. Sorry, God, for swearing, but, bro, a coyote ran up right there. It wasn't that big, it was small, but he was literally standing right there, man. And I heard him last night. Wow. Guys, that's beautiful. What's up, guys? We're about to go on a little venture today. I've been here for about 2 to 3 days, the day after Thanksgiving. So me and Spike, he's in the truck right now. We're about to go on an adventure. And today we're gonna be hiking this place called Q Mountain. And there's an old gold mine, or gold mine. But I know there's coal and stuff there. And maybe some quartz and stuff. But I know there's gold inside of quartz. So we're gonna be hiking that. Maybe see if we can find some gold. I'm gonna take y'all along on an adventure and things of that nature. But we just packed up camp right now. So yeah, let's head over to that mountain. Let's go on an adventure. You can see the Q on the mountain right there. Can't miss it, man. You really can't miss it. Made it to the mountain. It's right back there. And over here, I think this is where the gold mine is at. So we're gonna go check that out first. And then I think I'm gonna leave Quartzsite tomorrow. Hit up Cali tomorrow if I don't leave tonight, but I'm probably gonna leave tomorrow because I got a lot of stuff to do today. But I was like, you know what, let me explore a little bit. I really started enjoying like hiking mountains and getting to the top, getting to the pinnacle points. So you can see the view behind me. My truck is all the way down there. So yeah, We're almost at the top though. Come on, Spike. Let's go. We made it. We made it to the top. Touch the flag. Okay. So that looks like the old mine over there. There's a view of the city of Quartzsite. I want to go and see that mine, see if I can find any gold. It would be cool if I found gold up here. Or I know that Quartzsite has quartz, and quartz has gold in it a lot of the time. So if we find some gold, we're gonna be rich, man. There's a cactus up here. One lonely little cactus up here. It's got the American flags. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean I'll miss you until we meet again. Oh, that's cool. Oh, he must have passed away in 2024, so they planted a cactus up here. That's awesome, man. My condolences if you're watching this. Look at Spike. Oh, that's hard. I'm gonna get a picture. Alright, so I'm gonna just sit up here, chill for a little bit. Just taking the view. Enjoy myself, and then I'm gonna hike back down all the way to the truck. Then I'm gonna drive over to that mine over there. See if we find some remnants of gold or old antiques or something like that. Bro, it would be cool if I went inside of the mine, like did like a 24 hours camping inside of a mine shaft, but like just exploring. I just don't know if there's no trespassing signs, man. Probably is, and it's probably dangerous. I don't got mask or anything, and I got Spike, but that'd be a cool video, man. All right, guys, so I had to put on my Indiana Jones hat for this. We're walking to the mine shafts, or whatever they're called right now, the old mines and stuff. So I was like, you know what, let me put my Indiana Jones hats on so I could get the real experience, man. But yeah, we were just on top of that mountain. I could have walked down, but I was a little bit lazy today. But let's go see if we can find some cool artifacts. I'm pretty sure there's probably not a lot because people probably stole them and stuff. But yeah, we'll find some. Oh, shit. Not gonna lie, guys, I thought that was the cops or something. So we'll start at the bottom, work our way up. Oh shit, almost busted my ass. Okay, this must have been like an old entrance or something right here. Wow. Well, no, I think that's the entrance over there. There's a prime spot for rattlesnakes, I'm not gonna lie. Damn, man, it's crazy to think that like people were really working. Like those wood planks are probably over 100 years old. Alright, so let's be careful. Oh, shit. Don't step on no nails or nothing. There's a wheel up there. Big wheel thing with gears down there. Look at that guy up there just chilling. I keep thinking I'm gonna find an entrance somewhere. Cause real talk, guys, I will go inside. I'm not gonna lie, man. I didn't come all this way for nothing. I would definitely go inside, explore it. Because I really want to find like a cool antique or something. Not keep it, literally just find it. Like an old wrench or something. Be cool if we found some gold too. Is this weed? Yeah, that's weed, bro. Damn, man. This is all rock, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this is epic, bro. Like, bro, I'm really out here exploring and... Oh, what the... Oh, that's a bee. Oh my God, bro, he's circling me. Let me get up. Oh shit, I'm about to get stuck. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Where'd he go? That was crazy, man. I almost got caught by a bee. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I hate wearing my glasses because, one, I feel like I don't look like my regular self. And also the glare, like I hate the glare. I might gotta get an ND filter for my camera lens. That way the glare isn't showing. So I don't know if these markings are like when it was built. Yeah, they are. It says like Upper Bend. That's cool, man. Here, I guess, is like the little vendor spots. Like, it's like stores and stuff. I would check them out. I don't know, I may come back later, but right now I gotta go edit some videos. But yeah, looks like they got pretty cool stuff here. Spice crunching on his treats. I got him some treats from Dollar General. And got me some peaches, man. Gotta stay healthy, gotta eat our fruits and stuff.